Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through an end-to-end automation system I built that's perfect for Instagram content creation. You can either use this yourself or sell it to your clients to save them time with content generation. So a lot of people struggle to keep up with Instagram content because, creating posts every day can feel pretty tiring. But today I'm going to show you a way to automate creating compelling Instagram scripts. This includes the hook, the value, the CTA, and it's all going to be done in a couple minutes. So I'm going to show you exactly how to use the automation and AI to create viral Instagram content in minutes. And don't worry, you won't need any experience. I'll even attach the automation template in the description so you can use it yourself. And if that sounds good, let's dive in. So first I'm just going to demonstrate how this works. So I have an automation here. I'll explain it in a second, but I'm going to run it real quick. And here's a form I have. So I might say like, motivation with running my business. Actually, motivation with starting my agency. How about that? Then let's see, the main focus for this Instagram reel, maybe it'll be like motivation, I guess. Additional instructions, maybe like step-by-step guide. We're gonna submit this, and it's gonna come over here. So here's where it lists the response from, or watches the response from the Typeform. It goes into Google Sheets, so now we have an entry. This is what we just submitted. And now it's connecting into GPT. So GPT is going to generate a really nice, I'll give you the prompt as well. It's in the template, but I wrote a prompt that generates Instagram script, and now it's going to generate it in the Google document as well. So over here, if we wait for it, there we go. Here's the one we just created. There we go. Instagram reel template for automation agency. Motivation. It has a hook. It has a value. This is what you're going to talk about in the video. And here's a CTA. Has some additional tips and visual tips if you want to, and you can definitely change this around, change your prompt a little bit, so maybe it gives you more value instead of more advertising. You can do whatever you want with it, and for any niche it works as well. So specifically we use automation agency, but you can tamper around with the automation to make it for for example, if you want to generate content as an online fitness coach, you could do that. If it's something related to real estate, you can do it as well. So it's pretty powerful. And let me just walk through how this works real quick. So first, we have a module here that watches the response. And I connected to my Typeform. You can easily add your own webhook. But basically, once you connect it to Typeform, you create a form real quick that looks like this. Really simple. It takes like 5 minutes. You go over here, add a sleep counter. This is like a 5-second sleep just to, list responses. What this does, it takes the content from this and lists it. Then this one adds a row in the Google Sheets. It's connected to my Google Sheets. This is where it is. And I just map the answers to the output of the other Typeform. So for example, here you can select the mapped answers. And that's how I generated the stuff over here. We have set multiple variables. So this is just setting the stuff to the spreadsheet. Here's the GPT prompt. I'll show you right now. Taking a second to load, but here we go. So developer system. This is just a simple prompt you can use, and then here's an example with additional information. So I told it to create a high value Instagram reel template for an automation agency. You can definitely change it around depending on your business. And yeah, it's pretty comprehensive. I even gave an example of hooks and values to talk about. But you can configure for your own use, and it's all going to be included in the template below. So if you want to have a look, feel free. And the reason why this is so powerful is because the setup isn't just for Instagram. You can adapt it for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or even LinkedIn posts. It's perfect for creators, small businesses, or anyone who wants to stay consistent without burning out and taking hours writing scripts. And you don't even have to use a script like word by word. You can generate it to help you out with ideas and then start sharing with things from there. So it's really powerful. And if you're ready to start using this automation, you can check the description for all the tools and the links that I have. So the tools I use are make.com for the automation, Typeform for the form, but you can also use Google Sheets Google Form if you want. There's Google Sheets, which you don't really need this, but it's nice to keep track of what you've been generating, and all you have to do is connect it to Google Drive and Google Docs. That's about it. The only, it's pretty easy to do, and let me know if you want to see more in the comments below, and that's it for me. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.